was thinking about holding you till next year, but I see that we won't make it to the next year. You were supposed to be my lover, and they all look at us like lovers, but you really showed me the real you. Pain so deep that I can't even heal you. And you so far away that I can't even feel you. How I should walk away, these niggas came to steal you. I don't want love, please take it away. Throw it on love, please save me today. Cross my soul and take my pain away. Lord, ain't help, I ain't been sad. Hey, who would've thought you would've did what you did? It was never me, he kept for me. Oh, now it is what he do. But it all been crossfaded. I feel like my love faded. Ain't even in my words said. If I do then that make you hate me. Wow. Like did I map from the start or you just use me for pain? Like did you take me from the dark to come get me for a fame? Like did you take me from the dark to come get me for a name? I watch it talk, ain't got no time and it is not a thing. Like yeah, my play can only get you higher, and I ain't never been no flyer. I'm busy looking for right there. I was thinking about holding you till next year, but I